Hi, everyone. Welcome to Financial Insights. I'm Linda, your accounting coach. So, today I want to discuss how to weather the storm in business. I've been talking to a lot of business owners lately. Everyone is concerned about inflation or when the recession may hit. And I've been telling individuals just focus on providing value, focus on providing that product or service that your customers or clients love. And one piece of doing that is to ensure that your books in order. As many of us know, not having your books in order can cause a lot of stress. I've met many business owners, that can't sleep at night, and they'll tell me they just don't know what's financially going on with their business just because the books are not in order, or they have an accounting professional and there's no communication, and they really need to have someone sit down with them to help them understand the numbers. So I want to provide a couple tips on how to weather the storm. And we've all heard this statement before. You know what? You have to have your books in order. And the last 3 years have taught us how important that is. So, those businesses that were able to get PPP or any other loans, the EIDL loan, those businesses were prepared. They got their books in order, or they may have already had their books in order. So, having your books in order comes really, really in handy. It allows you to be ready. It allows you to weather the storm. So here's a couple tips for you. So number one, we're coming close to the year. It's going to be tax season soon, a new year. So number one, make sure you have some business tools to help you manage your finances. Business tools that is fits your business. So if business tools such as an accounting software, if it's coming too much, maybe you need to reevaluate that and maybe go to a different subscription in that accounting software, or maybe move to a brand new accounting software. So you want to make sure that you're utilizing business tools that is helping your business and not actually causing more work. So make sure you have some business tools. Number two, make sure your record keeping is in order. So your documentations, you have things organized. This is a good time to say, you know what, let's start to transition to one system. So maybe you have things on your computer, maybe your employees, they have things on their computer, or maybe there's some things on Google Drive. Start to streamline that process. Then number three, bookkeeping. We know how important that is. However, it's not the fun part for most of us. You want to make sure that what is being tracked, what is coming in and what's going out is being tracked. So whether that you're using an accounting software, or if you're a startup, you're using Excel, you need to be able to see that data in financial reports. So you need a profit and loss statement, you need a balance sheet, along with using a cash flow to estimate what is coming in and what's going out. So you definitely need to make sure your bookkeeping is in order. Not only do you need that for tax season, but once again, it will help you weather the storm. It will allow you to make good business decisions. If your books are not in order, you're basically just making decisions on the whim, and that could really affect your business and not for the good. And then lastly, you want to review your numbers. A lot of times, business owners and even those in the nonprofit sector believes that as long as I have a bookkeeper, I'm good. However, you still need to take time and review those numbers. What's working? What product or service is bringing in, generating revenue? Where am I spending my money? How does my labor correlate with the revenue? So you need someone, another set of eyes, as I say, another set of eyes, maybe a second opinion to say, okay, let's sit down, see what's going on. They're asking you questions and you're asking them questions. And so you need that guidance. You need someone just to bounce off ideas. Now, you'll be the final, as a business owner or the leader of the organization, you have the final say so. But it's always good to get an accounting professional to come in and say, okay, you know what, this is a good accounting practice, or this may help with your taxes. So use these tips to end the year strong. Don't wait until April 1st, when it's close to April 15th, to figure out, okay, I need to get my books ready. So remember, your business is not a hobby. Don't treat your business as a hobby. Treat it as a business. Hopefully, you find this information helpful. Make sure you share, like, and comment. We'll see you next time. Take care.